Hello, how is it going?
Hi, I'm good. Thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. It's nice to see you tonight.
Yes, it's really nice. The coffee shop looks so warm and cozy.
And the view outside is amazing. Look at the full moon.
Wow, yes, the moon is so bright and the stars are shining.
Nights like this feel special.
I agree. Perfect time to relax with coffee.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes, yes, I like the quiet music here. And you?
This is my second time, but I think I will come more often.
That's great. Maybe we can meet here again.
I'd like that. So tell me, what's your daily routine like?
Well, I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
That's not too late. Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I make a small breakfast, usually bread and tea.
Sounds nice. I wake up a bit earlier, around 6:30.
Oh, you wake up earlier than me? Do you exercise?
Yes, I go for a short run in the park. It helps me start the day.
That's healthy. I don't run, but I walk to work every morning.
Walking is also good. So, what do you do at work?
I work in an office, I answer emails, make reports, and join meetings.
That sounds busy. Do you enjoy it?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no, but I learn new things every day.
That's good. I also work in an office. My job is mostly with computers.
Oh, then you must sit a lot.
Yes, too much. That's why I try to move in the morning.
Smart idea. After work, what do you usually do?
I usually go home, cook something simple, and read a book.
That's nice. I also cook, but sometimes I just order food.
Me too. Cooking every day is hard.
True. I like cooking pasta. Do you?
Yes, pasta is my favorite. Easy and delicious.
Same here. Maybe one day we can cook pasta together.
That would be fun. What do you usually do after dinner?
I usually watch a TV series or call my family.
That's sweet. I sometimes call my friends or listen to music.
Music is relaxing. What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music, something calm. And you?
I like pop music. It gives me energy.
That's cool. Music makes life brighter.
Yes, for sure. So, what time do you sleep?
Around 10:30 p.m., I try to sleep early.
I sleep a little later, maybe 11:30 p.m.
Not too late, that's okay.
Yes, I need at least 7 hours of sleep.
Same here. Sleep is important for energy.
Absolutely. Without good sleep, the next day feels slow.
True. So, what about weekends? Do you do something special?
On weekends, I like to meet friends, go shopping, or sometimes travel.
That sounds fun. I usually play sports or watch a movie.
Sports are healthy. What sport do you play?
Mostly football with friends.
Nice. I don't play football, but I like to watch.
Then maybe you can watch my next game.
That would be fun.
Yes. And after that, we can come here again for coffee.
perfect idea. Coffee after football?
Speaking of coffee, this one tastes really good.
Yes, it's delicious. The cake is also sweet and soft.
Do you like desserts a lot?
Yes, very much. I have a sweet tooth.
Same here. Sweet things make me happy.
Me too. Life is sweeter with dessert.
And with good company, too.
That's very kind. Thank you.
It's true. I'm enjoying this evening.
Me too. The night feels beautiful.
Maybe we should do this more often.
Yes, let's. It's a nice way to share and talk.
Agreed. So, shall we cheers to good coffee and good company?
Cheers to coffee, friendship, and this beautiful night.
I think it's getting late now.
Yes, you're right. Time goes fast when we talk.
I should go home soon, but I really enjoyed this evening.
Me too. It was a wonderful time. Thank you.
Thank you as well. Let's meet again another day.
Yes, I'd like that very much.
Okay, take care and have a good night.
You too. Good night. See you soon.